Calculate the size of each exterior angle of a regular octagon. Okay, for a regular octagon, it's got each side is equal, to all of the other sides, and it's got 8 sides. Alright, so if you want to actually calculate the size of each exterior angle, okay, so exterior angle would be equal to 360 divided by n, which is the number of sides. And hence, since we know that there are 8 sides, all you have to do is take 360 divided by 8, and you get 45 degrees. So each exterior angle in a regular octagon is 45 degrees. Alright? Question 2, or part 2. If the size of each exterior angle in a regular polygon is 24 degrees, how many sides does it have? Okay, exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by n. Okay, if it is 24 degrees, so 24 degrees is equal to 360 over n. Okay, you cross multiply 24 times n. Okay, 24 multiplied by n, you put it on one side of the equation. Okay, this is 24 over 1, so 360 times 1, you put it on the other side. Okay, which is still 360. The number of sides is therefore 360 divided by 24. Okay, that would give you 15 sides.